Hey guys, welcome to a video. I'm new at this, so you're gonna have to bear with me here. I am starting a new channel with my sister, Lily. Her username is L03947, and she's a non-member, but she'll probably get a membership for Christmas. I've got this like glitch membership where it has no end, I guess. And so let's get started on what we want to do today. I don't know what I want to do today. Should we I've got this huge plushie collection. I don't know if you know that. You probably don't. This is where I sell plushies. So,
Go to my den. My den has more my plushie.
no. I was talking to my sister. I don't know what to do. How about we go to Japan and see what's going on there? I'm just gonna do some trade
Really?
moves.
Everyone's like, where's the party? Where's the party? There's a party here.
Follow him.
Is the party really here? Don't just say trade me up.
Trade me. Well, I don't know what else to do. You guys are gonna have to see.
Look up the party, because I'm not so sure. It's,
A-P-R-I-I.
No,
Party.
No, it's A-P-A-R-R.
A-P.
Finally. Everybody left. Everybody left. Everybody left. He's on. Where are they?
I don't care really, because I'm gonna be a YouTuber here soon. I'm gonna be like unknown.
You're like so unknown.
Yeah, I am really unknown.
We're doing trade attempts.
Trade attempts. Trade me. I need to get out of this place.
Bubbles.
Wow. No, I'm recording.
Wow, Carson, you're 7th
grade. I'm recording.
Trust me, don't bear with me. I typed really fast.
Reals.
Oh, wait, where's the party? Look for a party. Nothing.
Ow.
I'm trying to hit you with my lashes. Oh boy.
It's okay.
Part 2 of a party. No,
I got that.
we're Monday.
Say hi, guys.
That was like fangirl talk.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious?
It's like crying face.
Hi.
Oh boy.
Save me. I'm in desperate need.
I want a headdress.
Desperate need.
I want spikes. I'm so not popular.
I'll show you my sister.
Go to my den. My den's boss.
I'm gonna go to my den. My den's more bosser than you.
Let's check it out. Go to my den, please.
That's her.
And that's my den.
She sells plushies. Yeah. So,
more plushies. Come to my den.
comment on this video and tell me what you think I should do, because I don't know I know what I should do. I should go on an eco adventure.
Yes, let's try to get a spike.
Let's try to get a rare spike, guys. Come on.
You can do this.
Okay,
Everyone's looking for a party. Look down there. We're looking for a party.
The search for pie.
Good in there.
I'm not gonna look for a party. It's stupid. I don't want to. I don't want to.
Why are you going to Sabrina Forest?
Sarita? Sarita? Sarita! Guys, I'm friends with, Noisy. Whatever, however you pronounce your name. Noisy. No, he doesn't. He has way more than that. I subscribe to him to help his channel. Hopefully people will subscribe to me. I need some people to subscribe to me.
Go to Coral Canyon. That's where people come back from the igloos. Dude, it's cold, bro.
Yeah, see, it's cold. Okay, Coral Canyons, but people...
Go to Full World. Maybe they'll...
Pecos.
Really? Okay. Go to Coral Canyon. Go to Coral Canyon.
No! I'm not following your rules, master.
There! Eagle.
Join me.
Oh my gosh, there's 2 eagles.
Join me. Yay. I didn't mean to do that. Join me.
Adventure. Join me.
You know what, I'll just play by myself.
Don't play by yourself.
Yeah, never mind. I just kid. What should I do? Should I...
Let me log on.
No. I'm not gonna let you log on. You guys wanna do the maze? Yes, let's go to the maze. Let's go to the maze. The maze.
You're breathing
let's
in
go.
the mic.
Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Reload. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it here for now, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just so new at this. I'm gonna need some tips. Comment below and tell me what you think I should do next.
Bye.